In this video, we are going to understand typecasting in Python. So it's basically converting one data type into another. So the function that we'll be using is the int function. It's a magic converter which turns text into integer. This is the code that we are going to execute. So you can see on the top, we have written a comment, program demonstrating typecasting. We have taken two integers, x is equals to 10, y is equals to 2. And up over here, you can see we have put 2 into double quotation marks. So that is not a number, that is a string. So we are using x is equals to int. In the parentheses we have written y, that whatever the value of y is there, convert it into integer. So it's basically a string, convert it into an integer and then store it in back in x. And then we are putting a formula like add x twice, so that means 2 plus 2, that will give you 4, and we are printing the sum. So let's first understand the working of the code. So this is how you can see on Google Colab we have. So this is on the Google Colab that you can see we have written the program demonstrating the working of typecasting. Let me zoom it for you. So here you can see x is 10, y is 2, 2 is a string, and we are executing it, so we are getting 4. So in short, what typecasting does is it's converting the string into an integer using the int function, which is a numeric 2, and then we are performing the calculation. If we don't perform the typecasting, so that means string 2. If we do 2 plus 2, that means x plus x, it will give you 22 because it's a string. If it's a number, then it will give you 2 plus 2 as 4.